Too dark. A dirty car. Say hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. What? Tired?
Did you have a good day at school?
Kind of.
You go to all your classes?
Yes. Wait, is it this way?
Pull it towards you. Pull it down. Pull it towards you. And down. There you go. No, too far. There you go.
I can get
You
used
put
to
it
it.
into drive.
On our way home from the Morrison Center. It's raining like crazy. Or as I call it, raining cats and dogs. Yay! On the freeway again. Form 2 line. Raining. That's what you get for living in Portland.
That's because it doesn't rain. That's because it doesn't rain anywhere else, right, James?
Right. No traffic, but we have to form 2 lines. So there's traffic. Mom, did you know that the longest traffic jam was 11 days in China?
I did not know that.
I looked that up on the computer. And they actually had a picture of it too.
Really?
I was like, that must suck for all the Asians.
You know the unit limit does not mature until the age of what?
23? No, yeah, 20. Did you know when if you drink and smoke weed that it'll mix to your brain or whatever?
Yeah. You know that smoking pot
It's illegal, yes.
women decreases estrogen and increases testosterone?
Yes. Did you know that marijuana, if you smoke it, guys could get cancer?
Everybody can get cancer.
Oh, cancer.
Cancer. Testicular cancer. And that guy smoking it, their testosterone levels go down and their estrogen levels go up.
And that's how Dad got man movies.
Hey! You're not cool.
I just wanted to I wanted to record that, and then show it to Dad.
Yeah, cool.
Almost home. One way. Hey, Mom.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Tired.
How was your day at work?
Oh, good.
That's good.
Some woman had 4 teeth pulled out today.
Did that bug you?
Only that it wasn't me.
You want your teeth pulled?
Pulled and fixed.
Green light. Turn. Oh no, we're gonna crash! Gordon's Fireplace Shop, which is a fun place to go to if you need a new fireplace.
No, they don't sell many fireplaces.
Shell, Jackson Shell, 76, QFC,
stop and get gas.
Yep, that's what it looks like. We're on pump number 6. Isn't that
Oh,
awesome?
look, here comes Sam.
Okay, gotta let you go. Bye.